In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve image quality in Pixlr. We'll walk through a simple workflow that helps you turn a dull or blurry image into something sharper, clearer, and more vibrant, all using the tools built into Pixlr. First, open your browser and log into your Pixlr account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the option labeled Pixlr Editor. Go ahead and select that. You'll then be prompted to open or upload an image. Choose the photo you want to improve, and it will load directly into the editor workspace. Once your image is open, we'll start by improving clarity. At the top of the screen, find the menu bar and click on Filter. In the drop-down, hover over Details, then select Clarity. A pop-up will appear with a slider. As you drag this slider, you'll see your image update in real time. Increase the clarity slowly and watch for small details in textures, faces, and edges becoming more defined. Try not to push it too far, or the image can start to look harsh or unnatural. When you're happy with the result, click Apply to confirm the change. Next, we'll add a bit of sharpening. Again, go back up to Filter, hover over Details, and this time choose Sharpen. Another pop-up will appear with a sharpening slider. Move the slider gently to the right to crisp up edges and fine lines. Keep an eye on areas like hair, text, or patterns, and make sure you're not introducing too much noise or grain. If the image starts to look rough or pixelated, dial it back slightly. Once you've found a good balance, click Apply. Now let's refine the overall light and dark areas. At the top bar, click on Adjustment, then select Brightness and Contrast. In the pop-up, you'll see two separate sliders. Use the brightness slider to lighten a dark photo or tone down one that's too bright. Then adjust the contrast to deepen shadows and enhance separation between light and dark areas. This can help recover detail in overexposed or flat-looking photos. Make small adjustments. Check how skin tones and important details look. And when it feels right, click Apply. If you'd like your colors to stand out more, go back to Adjustment and choose Hue and Saturation. A new pop-up will appear where you can select a color range and adjust hue, saturation, and lightness. Increasing saturation will make colors more vivid, while lightness will control how bright or dark those colors appear. You can also enable Colorize if you want a more stylized, tinted look across the whole image. Explore these settings gently until the colors look lively but still natural. Then click Apply, and that's it. By adjusting clarity, sharpness, brightness, contrast, and color, you can significantly improve your image quality in Pixlr using just a few straightforward tools.